Yeah. You have to play this game.
Ben, you got the... It's recording time?
Yes. Is it recording?
Yeah, it was. When I put it in.
It's 2-0.
Are you going to do that every sport? Yeah. Okay. That's a bit much.
Drew's up. Hey!
Steal! Good girl.
Yeah.
Oh!
Here, 4-2? Yes. What?
That thing where you like shoot up and then you take it to the second.
Oh my god. Sam does that for us.
I cut that out of my game. I just like it. Yeah. Foul! Foul! Foul.
Alright. Yeah, probably.
Is it 1-1? No, 3 free throws. 3? Oh.
What is that?
I didn't. Still 4-2?
No, 8-5.
7 minutes.
I'm up.
What? 6:15.
It is raining.
No, it's not. Do it.
Is it just you guys?
Yes.
I'm not staying out here. It's too rainy and I'm too tired.
Okay. Ooh. Well,
Is that a foul?
yeah.
On the offhand?
Yeah.
Sure, what do you think? Sam, what do you think?
Who's the one? And you got open up the red.
No TV or anything?
There is. It's just camera time.
All right, cool. So you guys can clean up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. I'm going to take a shower.
Anytime you do that, give me a text.
That's actually a foul.
No, it's not. It's not allowed. You can't distract people with their 5 minutes.
12-10.
5 minutes. Oh! Oh, God.
What do you think, sir? That's probably a foul. Yeah. You did not have to take that.
You did the rim.
It didn't.
Stop.
What's it? 13-11? No, 14-11. 14-11.
That was a foul.
On Sam?
Yeah.
Alright. Fuck, time out. I gotta take
Don't know about that.
Fuck, that hurt my leg. You're good.
Still a foul.
Yeah, so it's my ball.
Yeah. 14 11.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Fuck. 14-13. Time? 3?
3, 2, 1. Ooh! 235.
Pretty game here.
It's a little cold.
18-13? 18-13, yeah. Wow. 18-15 is big. Yeah.
120. Alright, time? 107. Alright. About 10 minutes late. 105. 1 minute. 58 seconds.
Ben?
Alright. 45 seconds. Good shot.
So what's it? 2015? 2015? One shot and one. 2015.
Time? 40 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. 47.
28-17. 28-17.
45.
3.
40 seconds.
23-17.
15. 10. 9.
Oh,
8.
fuck.
7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
What are your opinions on the first half of the basketball game?
Fun game. Bit cold, but
Josh, what are your opinions on the basketball game?
Really fun game so far. A lot of grit. It's raining. A game with not a lot of scoring because of good defense, I think, and so that's good. What are you looking at? What are you pointing the camera at? Like the game so far.
The angle right here.
I'm ready.
Second half has commentary. Lucky for you, IFL's back at it with another exciting game with Ben, what's his name? With Richards as ref. Dingman's back at it for another play with Fine leading the charge.
Yep.
We haven't seen how this game has went, but I'm sure it's been exciting and interesting. You want to film or do it? I'm keeping the ball on like center frame.
You can do it. I did it last time. It's a rainy day for the IFL.
Conditions are pretty rough.
Yep. We've had a few days now where games were canceled due to weather. So at this point, it's just like fuck it, right?
You can't say that on TV.
You can censor it.
With a layup from Fine, gets a point. Sam, another layup, but it's a rim shot. Oh, exciting steal from Dingman with a layup. He gets it in the hoop successfully.
Sam, of course, is coachless as per usual. Peters does not live in this state.
In my humble opinion, Swift, we have I think the new strategy Sam has been employing this season has really been helping him.
Are you speaking of the therapizer gun?
Yeah, it's not legal. Or it is legal. A nice swish shot from Fine.
Yeah,
as it goes in.
Beautiful shot.
Can Sam redeem himself? I mean,
whoa.
Looks like they're slipping a little bit on the slippery surface.
Hydroplaning on the court.
Am I filming?
Yeah,
it's the red dot.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it was okay that I didn't film that, because... Do you hold it like this or like this?
I don't know. Usually it's in a tripod.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, it wasn't on a tripod last week.
25 times zoom. It's still pretty clear, too.
Yeah, the cameras actually zoom properly. Unlike iPhone.
Wow, look at that.
You can see the
you actually like
on
detailed too. Wait, what?
It's a camera. That's what they're actually.
Yeah, but like
zooming.
iPhones can't do that.
Yeah, because iPhones just like expand the picture.
Samsungs can like do you can like, oh shoot.
You can see the tardigrades.
No, I'm serious. You can like look in the. It works like an astroscope or whatever. What's it called?
A microscope?
No, like the telescope.
Oh.
Not an astroscope.
Okay. An astroscope, that could be like a cool like device. A new invention. Alright.
Conflict on the court. Conflict. Layup misses. Goes back to Fine. What's he gonna do with it?
Ooh.
Conflict on the court.
Looks like Sam's defensive abilities. Oh, whoa. Nice.
Layup.
That was a...
Richards is fed up, as you can see. And, but the game continues.
Oh.
Various dribble techniques leads to a layup that goes to Sam after it hits the rim and bounces out. Strong defense from Fine, but
it pays off.
I mean, kinda. you almost got it in. Alley-oop.
Wow.
Alley-oop.
Wow.
A nice layup from Fine.
Yeah.
Layup seems to be very popular this game.
They might be trying to avoid getting...
Wait, they have a leveler on this camera? There's a level.
Yeah. That's
what?
Pretty fancy.
That's actually really cool.
So you can know when you're doing a Dutch angle on accident.
That's actually so cool.
Oh.
Conflict on the court.
Sam stumbles, but he makes the ball in.
Strong layup.
A little bit of chitter chatter between the players.
Looks like there was a slip on the mud. This is something that the late Tyler Brooks, always said when he was on the court. That you have to drug and finesse to get out of the mud, and we're seeing that here when they're slipping, literally slipping in the mud.
Oh, Sam's stumbling a little bit, looks like.
Very nice layup from Sam. Swish, curse swish. Yep. It's all going according to plan, it seems like. Richards! What's the score?
34-34.
Oh, tie game.
It's tight. Definitely not what we saw with
Wow.
Definitely not what we saw with
The previous game with between Sam and
yeah,
Will.
Sam and Will.
Yeah, that was a
Fine seems to be much tighter competition. Put the score up now for anyone who didn't see that one.
And Josh has played one game previously this season against Drew, and Drew's 1v1 debut. I was not there, but I heard it was pretty
debut?
awful. Yeah, Drew only played in the 2v2. this season.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No way. Are you serious?
Yeah,
I guess it's mainly
baseball.
been
Yeah.
Sam and Drew and Sam and Josh and Will. Will seems to be in the most games on average.
I think that they all. Oh, whoa. Sam
Alright.
steals the ball from Josh. and
Switching the ball, switching the
scores 2
camera.
points. You-
You got it from
Yeah.
here. Get some dynamic angles in there like me. Stay tight.
So it looks like foul on Josh. And Sam makes the free
Ooh,
throw.
court shot. Wait, what's it called?
It's a free throw.
Oh yeah. I guess the free throw didn't make it.
No,
Fine. Going in with a strong offense, can Sam beat that with a strong defense? They're under the net and a missed layup hits the rim and bounces out.
Oh,
Seems the conditions are affecting the course of the game. Sam redeems himself with a nice layup, and we are taking time. It seems that there's some conflict. There's some conflict on the court.
And we're getting close to the end of the game here, folks. Only a few minutes left on the clock.
At least one. But you know, it only takes one to make the difference.
That's true.
Tyler Brooks said that too. Do you see that shot? That was a really
Yeah, it
cool
was
looking
good,
shot.
Josh is
Swish.
getting pretty jumpy here today, despite the.
Can the massage gun save Sam? Sorry, finish your sentence.
No, that was good. That was a good interjection. It looks like, you know, the IFL players pride themselves on their adaptability. They can play in even the worst
Well, what happened
conditions.
last game we commentated, Swift? Well, they were getting hurt. They were hurting
true.
themselves. They were
That's true.
hurting themselves trying to outperform the opponent. And what are they doing today? It's raining. It's slippery. It's wet. It's muddy. They're getting mud all over them. They're wiping mud all over themselves. But what are they doing? They're out here. They're playing.
Yeah, they're here because of the love of the game.
And that's what you don't see from other basketball players. Other basketball players, their loved ones
for
will.
instance.
Chris, who?
Pritz.
Oh, Pritz.
It's the-
Their loved ones will die. They'll get sick. They'll break their
What?
body parts. But they excuse my words. They're p***s. The IFL. What are they doing? It's raining. It's muddy. It's disgusting. And they're playing. They're playing their hardest. Look at it. They're panting. They're sweating. You can't tell what's sweat and what's rain.
You know, I think what we have here today is a matchup between two of the most dedicated players in the IFL.
Ooh.
Sam and Josh both have a long.
Oh my
record of playing
goodness.
They put their backs into it when they're
Getting
out there.
seems like they're getting sloppy there. Their shots are missing now. Fine goes way out.
He calls a timeout.
It seems that he called a timeout. Dingman, let's get your opinion. Come up here real quick for a quick interview.
I meant to say 42, 43.
We're in a unique time situation here, so it seems like there's about a minute left on the clock, and that you guys are very close right now. So it's a great time to interview. Do you think you can pull through this last round?
I sure hope so.
Ooh, Dingman. I mean, fuck.
They're working now. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay, well the mics may not have been working there, but they are now for sure. I think.
I think it's because I just plugged them in.
The Ziploc Center and the IFL home offices are saying that there could potentially be weather impact to today's outing. And we'll stay tuned.
Minute 16 left.
He's in on this shit, dude.
Minute 16 left.
Financial work around the league.
The message from Joe Koenig,
That's the weather.
owner of Ziploc
he's
Stadium.
the owner?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right, he's owning the stadium.
Yeah.
actually smart. This shit makes it seem more real. Ooh, strong offense and defense. Oh, it's getting a little hot. Ooh, Fine gets it. Layup.
Oh.
Second attempted layup.
Okay.
That one goes in.
You know, third time's a charm.
Fine may have this one in the bag. Like, you look at the bag, take a hard look, he's in there. His win is in there. He just has to take it out in the bag. Ooh, strong offense and defense from both parties. Ooh, nice. Close shot from Dingman. He definitely wants to be sure that the ball's going in the hoop and not out.
That's how he does it.
Double pass, it's time to play. Let's get started. The clock is closing down.
20 seconds on the clock.
How much?
20, I think.
Oh.
15 seconds on the clock.
Can
scores.
Dingman pull through? Clock comes to a pause. This is it. This is only 1 or 2 points left, ladies and gentlemen, and others of the jury, others of the audience. Ooh, fine, strong defense leads to a.
Oh, what?
There's a tumble. And a foul. Looks like Dingman just messed up. This is the first game went amazingly, but I don't think he can come back from this. Fine just got a free. He just got into the free throw. What's it called?
I don't know.
He just went into free throws.
Yeah, that's a good
look at the face. If you look at Dingman's face, he's disappointed. He knows I don't think he can come back from this one.
It's just focusing on the weeds. There we go.
Despite the strong start that Dingman had with the season, I don't think that this is. I think he may be done this time.
Well, conditions are.
That's true. We may never know what this game would have been like if it hadn't rained on this fateful day.
Big IFL what if. Who loses?
It's time for Fine to make his free throw. Free throw.
Yeah, that's a tricky.
Okay, I don't know why you passed it to him. Ooh, Dingman intercepts. 10 seconds left on the clock. Can he get it? Oh, whiffed shot, and that's the game. Wow. Seems like Dingman might have hurt himself. All right, let's let the players rest, and we'll go in for these interviews, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, focus. Don't point it at Ben. Oh, Josh, who's a better interviewer?
Look at his dad.
Yeah. That's his coach, actually. Not his dad.
So Sam doesn't have a coach.
Yeah,
who's the better interviewer, me or Ben?
Probably you. Sorry, Ben. But you guys can ask questions together.
Oh. Don't drop the mic, dude. Come on. It's expensive.
Oh,
Goodness.
We can both ask questions.
yeah, interviewer.
I just wanted to settle that.
This is interview mic. You want me to interview Ben?
Yeah, sure.
You two Warriors went at it like it was Game 7 of the NBA Finals. Sam, kind of at the end there, Josh needed to stop. He got to stop. What were you trying to accomplish there? Because it looked like you were a little lost there at the end.
Josh is just a bigger guy, so I tried to, do what I could, but he's too big. He got to stop.
Yeah.
I mean, he's capable of doing that. And
When he turns it on, Josh, Sam seemed to have an answer for everything except for that last play at the end of the game. Your defense was excruciating to watch because Sam just had an answer for everything you're throwing at him, but you managed to hang in there. What was the key to the game for you?
Oh, wait, excruciating. In what way?
Everything you're throwing at Sam, he found an answer to.
Yeah, he was a better defensive player today.
I was saying when you were guarding me, I kept scoring.
Yeah.
But you.
All right, let's not analyze the interviewer. But what I'm getting at is, what at the end there?
Oh.
Because you came up with a stop when you needed. Yeah, brick wall.
Just
homers. Using physical abilities.
2 feet. It's like a tree trunk. Chest. I'm a brick wall.
One difference in the game today, Josh, I want to speak to your three-pointers. You seem to find a little bit of a rhythm out there. You want to talk about that?
Yeah. Middle of the second half. Threw up a couple threes. that kind of line drived in.
Mm-hmm.
Those were good. Those are good for me.
Okay. Great.
I
You
don't
doing
know what
anything
else to
different
say.
in pregame prep or?
No.
Okay.
Attempted a lot less threes today than the other day.
Sam, Josh seemed to be taking to the hole quite a bit more. What are your thoughts about stopping them the next time you two Warriors play up?
I mean, I did my best to try to prevent him from driving, but again, he's bigger than me.
Yeah.
He knows that.
Yeah.
He uses that to his advantage very well.
Yeah.
But I'll try to cut off the angles more.
Okay.
I can use that as my advantage. I can slide faster than he can run.
Well, it's a great game, guys. It reminded me of Celtics-Lakers back in the 80s. And, you never know until the last second of the game who's going to come up with the win. So, great game, guys. Great effort on both parts. Fun game to watch.
Thank you.
Okay. Go IFL.
Dude.
It's Mike Fine from WGN, don't you know?
He's actually the best. All right, Sam, I only got one question for you. All right, I happened to interview you during the first game of the season last week, and you came out on top of that one by far. Quinlan had no chance. Just no offense to Quinlan, he had no chance. You totally blew him out. But this round, it was a little bit more tight.
Yeah.
He got a couple more wins on you this round, and that foul secured the win.
Oh, he missed. I just couldn't score. But sure.
So, how do you think you can make a comeback from this or no?
Certainly.
Okay, great. All right. Well, that's the and then the conditions today. Do you think the conditions led to your loss at all?
It was a bit cold, so that hurt my hands a little bit. But
And were you slipping on the mud?
not that much. No, that wasn't that big of a deal.
Okay.
Just my hands got cold, which means it's harder for me to shoot. But
You can interview Josh. I don't have any other questions. That was my only question I came up with.
Hank, 16 turnovers. What are you going to do to improve on this number in the future?
What?
Here, you can have the other mic.
What?
16 turnovers.
We don't know
What are you
that
gonna do
actually.
about
I don't know where you came up with that number.
Around that. 16 turnovers.
Oh yeah, I was turning the ball over at the end. Well, when I'm doing my dribbles, if the defense is good, I put the ball really low.
Okay. Thanks for telling.
Really low. Sam got his hands really low during those moments as well.
Sam, can you demonstrate how would you steal the ball?
Yeah, that's what he did a couple times.
Peanut punch type of
Peanut punch.
All right. I gotta hit the road.
All right.
You coming home or are you hanging out
Something
with
like
the guys?
that, yeah.